Hey everybody, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home to some of the most useful and innovative Excel tools available. Today, I'm excited to introduce a brand new tool that's been highly requested, the Nearest Pharmacy Locator in Excel. This tool makes it incredibly easy to find the closest pharmacies for multiple locations, all within Excel. For those unfamiliar with our tools, we've been developing Excel-based solutions for 16 years, specializing in automation, logistics, and location-based services. Over time, we've built dozens of tools that help businesses, professionals, and everyday users streamline their workflows. Over the years, we've had the privilege of serving more than 7,500 satisfied clients, ranging from small businesses to large corporations. Every week, we receive messages from clients sharing how our tools have saved them hours of work and made their tasks easier. Their appreciation motivates us to keep developing new tools that help people like you automate processes within Excel. We're proud to have earned over 130 five-star reviews on Google, where users praise our tools for their reliability, ease of use, and ability to simplify complex tasks. These reviews reflect a real impact our tools have had, helping businesses and individuals work more efficiently. The Nearest Pharmacy Locator is designed for healthcare providers, delivery services, caregivers, and anyone who needs to quickly locate nearby pharmacies for multiple addresses. Whether you need to find pharmacies near patient addresses, plan prescription deliveries, or simply locate nearby pharmacies with ease, this tool does it all in seconds. This tool integrates with the Google Maps API, so you'll need an API key for it to function. If you need help setting this up, I've included a video guide linked in the description. Using the tool is simple. Just enter or paste your locations into the designated column within the tool and click Find Nearest Pharmacies. The tool will automatically search for pharmacies near each location and return detailed results, including the pharmacy's name, full address, and distance from the given location. No need to open Google Maps or manually search. Everything happens inside Excel. You can also switch between miles and kilometers in the Settings tab. To download the tool, simply click in the link in the description. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Our contact information's in the description and displayed on the screen. You can also reach us via live chat on our website. And yes, you'll get real help from Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators, not a bot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tools. Until next time.